1-1 draw. Chelsea Football Club 1-1 draw. This will not be what we plan before we start this game. No be what we plan at all before we start this game. A whole Burnley, ordinary Burnley, we dey play 1-1 against Burnley. Yeah? How are we going to qualify in this top 4? How are we going to make it in this top 4 of Premier League? If they play 1-1 against Burnley. Against Burnley. Then Manchester United can actually win that game tomorrow now and surpass us. 1-1. You self will be Fofana. You know that you get yellow card already. Why all those dangerous marking will be take they go? And they shout. The time we decide they got this game and they shout. Don't they go those dangerous marking? Since and they shout. When Miliano also no. Instead of you to remove him, he don't get red card. He don't get a yellow card. Instead of you to remove him, at least introduce Mamadou Sarr in this game. You allow Fofana. In fact,